Hello heathens, today we're going to change the window regulator in this E90, same process for the E91, E92, and E93. So if you're having an issue with any of your windows not going up or down, stick around. Let's go through the steps of how to fix this. So if you guys have that issue, window's not engaged, I'll show you why. So this is the tools that we need, guys. Prying tools to remove the door panels and a T20 to remove the screws. We're going to start this by removing the door panels. Step number one is going to remove this piece, one of these. Gotta be careful. There you go. Put the tool down here. Pop. Just like that. This plastic is melting. This is a video for another day. Do you have an idea how to fix that? So there are 3 hexes we need to remove. 1, 2, and 3. And you're gonna need a T20 to remove those. Then we're gonna use this to pop them from inside. I already did the first one. Second one somewhere around here. Right here, there we go. There we go. So these ones are gonna come off pretty easy, guys. Once we get to the top part of it, we need to pull up with the. We need to give it a good tug to get it out. There's a few clips up here, so you push or pull and tug at the same time. So the clips I'm talking about, just pull a little bit, it'll come out. Then you have to disconnect this cable. This button right here, you can do that from the inside. Alright guys, so we need to remove this, the door handle, and the button. You can see this little teeth right there, button. So you use something like this, put it in, you separate that part. It should come off now. There it is. Alright guys, since I'm trying to change the window regulator, I need to take this protection off. Screw it off. It's older, so it won't be hard. Just pull, careful. This guide cable came off completely, so the window, there's nothing to pull it up or down. So let's fix that. All right guys, so I'm gonna remove this one to put this one on. And being in California, the daylight savings time change, it's only 5:30 p.m. So I got all my lights out right now. So take this 3 volts and slide it out. Alright guys, now that I'm able to pull that a little bit further out, that clip right there, I'm going to use a prying tool to lift it. I have to pull the window up and that should release it. Alright guys, so it's off. That's like the sound. This window should be able to move up and down. And I just gotta wheel this out. Like so. So that's what felt in this one. It kicked out and it didn't spring no more. So I'll take out the little motor, put it on this one, pop it back in. And to remove the motor from the bracket, it's T20 again. So we'll take this, we'll put it over here, pop that back in. So the screws are off. Literally pops off. Pop it back in there. We'll go around. There you go. Screws back in. Alright guys, so the new regulator is in there. You just slide in easily. I'm gonna put the bolts on that loosely so I can move it around, and then I'll move the window down so it goes into the new holding bracket. So you can tell it is catching. So you just gotta click it down. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now I'm just pressing now with my fingers. Alright, I don't want to force it too much right now. I'll put the bolts on. Alright guys, so I'm going to use the force of the window, motor, and regulator to pop in and then screw here. Let me show you before I click it in. So it's going up. It should click in on its own. There we go. Yep, it's in there, guys. It's in there, guys. The clip is in there too. Store's done. Put it back together. That's how you want to see the clip over the window hole, guys. So make sure it's tight in there. Alright guys, so first step is this foam protector. And this sticks pretty good again. I'm just putting pressure on it, it glues back on. So I'll put that all around, make sure the cables are outside. Then the door cover next. And make sure you put the cables back in. That's for the power lock. Excuse me, the window. That's for the power window. Put the handle actuator. It just clicks in. And remember to position your lock tip. Remember to position. Alright guys, make sure you don't forget to put these screws back on. Oh, you don't get any rattles.